Welcome to Wilson Ridge, the perfect blend of suburban comfort and urban excitement. You're in the right place. Imagine coming home every day to your very own brand new home after an easy work commute. Now you can make it a reality. Spend more time on the weekends being close enough to meet friends at the drop of a hat at your favorite restaurant or show. That's Wilson Ridge. Now you'll be able to enjoy all the benefits of home ownership while still being in a location you love. You'll have the freedom to do the things you love without having to worry about your home. With lawn and snow care included, you won't need to spend your weekends mowing the lawn or shoveling the driveway. Soak up the sun or get your afternoon workout in at the gym instead. Here, owning and easy living go hand in hand. And no more parking outside in the cold with your included 2-car garage. Plus, you'll have plenty of space to store your golf clubs after a relaxing day on the links. The homes will be the perfect space for you. You'll be proud to come home every day to an open concept feel and higher end finishes that come included. Plus, you'll live clutter-free with plenty of closet space and lower level storage. Now you won't need to sort through boxes or dressers to find the seasonal clothes you're looking for with a large walk-in closet. Wilson Ridge opens the door to home ownership. You'll have plenty of help and support along the way with our easy home building process, top-notch home warranty program, and in-house mortgage experts. Want to know how you can take advantage of making the dream of living at Wilson Ridge a reality? Take action today and click the orange button for more information. Your future self will thank you.